Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fabs in the house. And today I've got this Kansept Knives Genesis here with me for a review, and we're gonna analyze the look, the sound, and the feel of this guy. But hey, don't forget to like the video and to subscribe to the channel if you're enjoying this kind of content. So let's see what we have here. This is something that Kansept sent to review. This is a prototype. You can't actually buy it right now. It's a 8.2 inch overall length, in length knife when open, and 3.2-inch long cutting edge, and a handle length of 4.6 inches. Sorry. And let's see how this guy compares, for example, up against the Ruiki P801 and the Ruiki P128. Right over there you can see this guy is just right in the middle, and a couple of maybe more similar in price knives. This is the Best Tech Dolphin, and this is the Best Tech Shogun. As you can see, kind of similar to the Dolphin, a little bit smaller than the Shogun for sure. Another Kansept prototype that they sent here is the T1012T2, and let's check the classic ones, Ontario Rat number 2, sorry, and of course you've got Ontario Rat number 1 to show you that this is not a small boy, because the Ontario Rat number 1 is a big one, but yeah, I mean, you get the idea. Spyderco Para 3, of course, smaller than the Kansept, and this is the Spyderco Paramilitary 2, which is more like, yeah, on the same size of the Kansept. And if you check, for example, the offerings from Chris Reeve Knives, and you look at the small Sebenza 21, or if you look at this large Sebenza 21, you're gonna feel that this guy is actually very, very similar in size to the large Sebenza 21 by Chris Reeve Knives, and it's gonna be a little bit bigger than the Custom Knife Factory Philippe Georget Design 520, but it's not going to be bigger than the also Custom Knife Factory but Peter Rassenti designed Snafu 2.0, because it's a beast of a knife. It's going to be a little bit bigger than the Shirogorov Neon Zero, but it's going to be smaller than the Shirogorov F95 R Slim, which is one of the best blades out there. And just gonna show you another couple here because we have them around in the house. That's the Conic Knives Arius, and what else? I'm gonna show you something cool. This is the Shirogorov F5 Silk Slim, because we have it here, so I'm gonna show it to you. So there you have it. What is this, guys? This is an interesting one. It's a titanium frame lock, carbon fiber inlays. There's some nice degree of skeletonization going on the contouring, because there's no skeletonization. There's nice 3D contouring, nice reduced areas over here. The inlay is nicely flushed. The quality of the carbon fiber is not the best. I mean, it's kind of like on the cheap side, but it's reasonably so, because this is not a high-end piece. You've got an unusual shape for sure, a couple of lanyard holes, almost full titanium backspacer. You have a stainless steel lock face insert. There's not really much area here to disengage the lock bar. Actually, see, it looks like here. So yeah, but of course there's much more tension here. External lock face cut out. So I would have preferred a little bit more of milling out areas right there. You have a titanium tip-up carry-only backspacer. It's not reversible. It's a little bit pointy over here. You have nice S35VN steel blade with a very unusual shape. There's lots of things going on. You have like a divot here, a bigger divot, and then ship's foot and a swedge and almost full flat grind directional satin with the logo, straight edge up to the wide finger / sharpening choil, nice and sleek edge, and slim and thin behind the edge. You have Jelly Rogers design logo on the side, and the name Genesis on that side, and here you have the serial number and S35EN steel blade. Very, very good ergos. This guy is missing like a flipper tab. Like this is like clearly like a flipper, missed flipper option. You've got cut out, of course, in the blade, which is going to be your main deployment method. The sound this guy makes, it's nice. It's classic. It's like not distinctive. It's a nice and soft click and a damped clunk when you close it. So I like a lot when it closes. The shape is odd. It's unusual. It's not like my first choice, but I'm telling you, this guy weighs in at 4.7 ounces, so it's not the lightest because there's no internal skeletonization going on. But I'm telling you, the grip, it's phenomenal. You can choke it up like that. One of the most comfortable grips ever. You can use this divot like that. You can use it like here. You can use a little bit more back position, but this is the natural way you want to hold this one, and it's gonna just feel good in the hand. That's it. There is a little bit of a hot spot created here, but not that sharp. No jimping going on anywhere. Reverse grip feels a little bit awkward because of the odd shape over here, so I wouldn't do it, but the choke up position is fantastic. Feels absolutely solid in the hand. You've got a full titanium backspacer going on up to the heel, so feels really, really solid. You've got a little bit of texture going on, but mostly is like sleek and a little bit on the slippery side. I don't see any gaps or fit and finish issues. No blade play. The clip ramp is good. It's a little bit strong on the tension, but it's overall good. Deployment speed could have been benefit from like a flipper tab, or maybe like a wider area to jam your like your finger in, because you still can do like spidey flick. Yeah, but there's not much room actually. Runs smoothly on bearings. The action is nicely done, nicely dialed in. The tent strength is on the medium light side. There's a little bit of kickback when you open it up like that, but maybe with the flipper tab you would have felt a little bit more strength. You can't touch the tip of the blade because it's deeply recessed and protected by the backspacer right there. No rattling when shaken. The lock release is not the easiest to disengage, but still doable. You have no detent ball ramp. You just got a little bit of a hard step right over there. Of course, free falling and just gliding shut, just with a little hint of wiggle, and it's gonna just glide shut close inside the handle. So overall it has an odd look. It's not for everyone, but it's solidly built. Materials are there, and the ergos is fantastic, and if you can go past the blade shape, it's a solid box shredder for sure. So there you have it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, and thanks for watching. Stay tuned.